Phrasal verbs are essential combinations of verbs and prepositions or adverbs that native speakers use every day. Today we focus on breakdown, one of the most common phrasal verbs with two main meanings that beginners must master for natural English conversation. The first meaning of breakdown means when machines or vehicles suddenly stop functioning properly. This happens with cars, computers, printers, or any mechanical equipment. Think of it as something working fine one moment, then completely stopping the next. My car broke down on the way home means the car suddenly stopped working while driving. The bus broke down in the middle of the road means passengers waited because the bus engine failed. Our machine broke down during production means factory work stopped because equipment malfunctioned. Instead of breakdown for machines stopping, you can say fail, malfunction, or give out. In machine contexts, use crash, stall, or conk out. These synonyms help you sound more natural and show you understand different ways to express the same idea. The second meaning of break down means to examine something by dividing it into smaller parts to understand it better. This applies to problems, instructions, processes, or complex ideas. You separate the whole into pieces for clearer understanding. Let me break down the problem for you means the speaker will explain a difficult situation by separating it into simple parts. Can you break it down into steps means requesting someone divide instructions into numbered actions. The teacher broke down the poem means analyzing each part separately. Breakdown has two main meanings: machines and vehicles stop working suddenly, or analyzing by dividing into smaller understandable parts. Context always determines which meaning applies. Master both uses to speak English naturally like native speakers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.